Lately, dami kong nakikitang vloggers, influencers who are promoting gambling. Hi guys, welcome back. So we're here at Coffee Builders. Where is this? Silang ba to? Let's check na. Wait lang double check ko lang kung saan tong Coffee Builders. Maps. Coffee Builders is 9446 Tibig Road, Silang, Cavite. So tama nga. Nice looking place though. Laki ng parking. So definitely somewhere na okay pumunta. Eto, nakakatakot lang yung weather today. Makulimlim. So far, well, I'm not hungry, so I tried only the cheesecake and of course my latte. Or wala silang flat white, so I went with their latte. Temperature ng, remember yung issue ko with temperature, this one is okay, not too hot. Could be a little bit less hot, pero okay naman. Coffee, medyo bitin ng konti yung lasa, pero hindi masama yung lasa. Or baka isang shot lang to, baka kailangan dalawa. Price wise, I paid large latte and the cheesecake 400. Oh, nandito yung receipt. Let's read the receipt. Coffee is 180, cheesecake 220. Tingin ko accepted na to sa mga aesthetic na mga coffee shop that the prices are a little on the high side. Medyo, but still not as high as the coffee shop I don't wanna be naming anymore. Pero food level, coffee level about the same, pero mas okay dito ng konti yung presyo. Second, maraming tao pero there's enough tables and chairs. So okay naman. Not bad. It's a not bad place. Now, why I'm also creating this vlog is, remember my last vlog about yung mga vloggers that have wala responsibility, that they should have responsibility to their audience. Yung mga review na ginagawa nila, lahat na lang good, lahat na lang okay, kahit na hindi pa maganda yung item or hindi maganda yung product or the food is bad, pero they'll still keep saying the restaurant is good kasi sponsored sila. Well, I understand the whole work of an influencer where pwede kang kunin as an endorser, no? So paid endorser. If you're a paid endorser, medyo mas tanggap ko pa pero kung yung bibigyan ka lang ng libreng pagkain, libreng item, you're going to sell your dignity, or at least you're selling your reputation for a few thousand pesos. If you're endorser ka, if you're being paid millions, maintindihan ko. Iba yun. Trabaho yun. And endorsers usually are not known for their vlogs na review vlogs. So most of the endorsers, they don't even vlog about it. They're just there being seen with the product. Yun yung mga ibang endorsers. Now, speaking of that, lately, dami kong nakikitang vloggers, influencers who are promoting gambling. If you guys don't know, a few years back, me and my wife, we used to handle some food business, and one of the business that or one of the coffee shop that we were handling was inside a casino. So pinanood namin how people would come, go, gamble. We got to know a lot of the mga players. Let me tell you, gambling is the cause of a lot of bad things. Broken families, pagnanakaw. Some have gone bankrupt. They sold their businesses in the hopes makakabawi pag natalo. Even if you have the money to gamble, if you don't have, kasi karamihan talaga sa mga nagsusugal, they don't have the discipline to stop eh. If you're not disciplined enough to stop, pag nakatikim ka ng sugal, nakatikim ka ng panalo, aray ko po. That is one of the things talaga yung mga endorsers, guys. Kailangan ba? Do you really need that money to be endorsing that type of vice? Sobrang sama nung gambling eh. As in, I've seen people sinasangla ang bahay, sinangla ang business. Lalo di bali sana kung talagang malaki yung business mo, mayaman ka, pero kahit there's someone I knew before, maglaro million every day. Their business was so big. Ano na ngayon? Bankrupt. Walang pera. Barely making enough to make ends meet. Pero sobrang milyonaryo yun before. Business niyan, laki-laki. Ano nangyari? Dahil sa sugal. Yung isa naman, yung mga small time, may mga pwesto sa palengke, they would gamble hanggang sa sunod yung pwesto nila sa palengke, binenta na rin nila. Guys, kung makakaiwas kayo, iwas kayo. I'm not going to deny that I've tried playing sa mga casinos, sa gambling, but usually ang ginagawa namin, kaya gusto ko kasama si Abby when we go to all those. I'll set up, sabi mo 2,000 pesos. I'll bring the 2,000 pesos. Manalo, matalo, the 2,000 wala na. If nanalo, at a certain point, cash out na. Wag na rin masyadong greedy. Pag natalo, 2,000 pays for the enjoyment. Okay? Ay, nako. Don't, guys, don't. Sobrang sama. Next time, babalik kami dito. We'll go back here to Coffee Builders. It's a nice place. Presko. Wala masyadong buildings pa kasing katabi. So, Presko. The place is nice. Hopefully, next time I get to try their savory foods. Ngayon, their cheesecake is not bad because it's dense. Sweetness, the cheesecake itself is not too sweet, but the strawberry on top is medyo matamis. Pero overall, not bad cheesecake. I've had really a lot bad, worst ones. This one is okay. This is in the upper middle range sa mga cheesecake na na-try ko. Coffee yung more flavor, sana. Baka kailangan extra siya. The staff was nice kasi when I came in, there was only 2 people in front of me. So the first one was having problems with their payment. Mga 10 minutes na, hindi pa rin tapos sila mag-order. Yun na sa harap ko. So naiinis na rin, nandun, nakatingin. So after mga 10 minutes na ayos din nila yung payment, nakapagbayad na. It's not the payment problem here. I think it's the customer who was having problems with his app. Kasi wala siya nung QR na business GCash, kailangan fund transfer. So kailangan mo pa nung OTP, yung mga ganon. So yung nasa harap ko naman, nung time na nila, is the only time they were trying to decide, ano ba orderin natin? Saka lang sila tumitingin ng menu, magde-decide, tapos silang dalawa magkaibigan, nag-argue pa, ano kakainin nila. Buti na lang nakita ng cashier, tapos pinauna na ako kasi I guess they realized that I'm not going to order much, I just want a coffee and a cheesecake. Pinauna na ako, and I thank you for that kasi yun nga, yung tao na sa harap ko, they had the 10 minutes while waiting habang nagkakaproblema sa harap nila, but they didn't decide what they wanted to eat. Kung kailan sila na, saka pala sila mag-decide. Pet peeve ko yun. Kaya kami, mga kids, my kids, my wife, when we walk up, habang nasa pila pa lang, let me know what you guys want. Don't decide when it's there already. Let's be mindful of people's time na pag tayo na. Let's get the order done. Alis na, tapos na. Diba? Okay, bye. Okay guys, thank you. Bye. Kulit ko na naman, no? Bye.